Greetings. This meditation guides you towards living in a state of positiveness, much more often than you can imagine. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Take your time to settle in your space. Breathe a few relaxing breaths to begin your meditation. Today's exercise is a great way to attain a better mood, releasing negativity and bad vibes. It's best if you allow your eyes to close. Now it's time to focus our mind on positive thinking. To do this, focus on your breath. It's a vital energy at your fingertips that can instantly pull you out of an unhappy mood. If you focus on the rhythm of your breath, you can achieve anything. Notice the sound of the breath coming in and out. Feel how it moves your body. Pay attention to its rhythm. Observe its flow. Keep in mind that positivity is not something you have to look for. It's something that's inside of you, always. Yet for some it's hidden under a surface made up of worries, schedules, and social masks. Find the optimistic view within every gloomy day. Breathe in deeply now. And find the perfect union of your body and soul. Allow for a balanced and serene mood to cultivate within you. Imagine that your mood is like the soil. It must be prepared and cared for in order to grow the beautiful flowers. You can control your mood, or it will control you. This is the day to learn how to witness your mood by taking a step back from it. Then you have a better perspective to see what thoughts you want to nourish in your garden. Thoughts affect our mood. So imagine now that each thought is represented by a living plant in your garden. The optimistic thoughts represent beautiful flowers of all kinds, and the pessimistic thoughts are represented by weeds. Notice now, what does your garden currently look like? How many beautiful flowers are growing versus how many weeds? Weeds will always grow, so it's about pulling them out before they get too large and take over your garden. just as pessimistic thoughts may always come throughout life. All you need to do is pull them from your mind as soon as you find them. Keeping the garden of your mind clean and thriving with the thoughts you do want, the ones that bloom beautiful flowers. Good. Take a long, deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Listen to the sound of your breath and imagine that it represents your emotions as the breeze blowing through your garden. Use this moment to focus on your emotions and how you really feel. Notice that emotions blow through your garden. Sometimes the winds are strong, but more often the winds are tender and soothing. Your emotions are always blowing through your experience. Focus on your breath to carry your emotions smoothly through life. When you breathe into overwhelming emotions, you are cultivating an intimate environment for a new and improved mindset, and open an exquisite garden. A place of peace and tranquility. That is your mind when you take pride in choosing which thoughts to nourish and which to remove. Calm and serene, organized, fresh. Lovely. Now start to bring your awareness back to the body, back to the present time. And always take care of your mental garden by nurturing optimism.